Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Sudha from KnotsKusu, and today we are going to learn how to make a super cute keychain using the Hitch knots. And if you want to know about how to make Hitch knots, I'll share the link in my description. Let's start. We'll take a keychain ring. So keychain ring is here, threads are here. Let's start making keychain. Okay, so make sure you fold the thread into half and loop around your keychain ring like this. Take the another one and loop around your keychain ring, and make sure you always start with this side, not this side. This side won't look that good, so we'll start from this side. We need 2 more thread to start with. Okay. And this one. And one more. I'm using the other color. So you have to loop 4 thread around your keychain ring. So it will look like this. Make sure start with this side. Now we'll take the center thread for both the side, because we have to make this shape, this V shape. So we'll take the center threads. Okay. So there are 4 and 4, as you can see. We can take this thread and start doing this hitch knots here, and we'll take this thread, start making hitch knots from this side. Okay, let's start hitch knots. 1, and these are the double hitch knots. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now we will take the thread from this side for start making hitch in this side. Okay, 1 and 2. So you will see there is a V shape is in process. We have to repeat this step till the last. So again I'm taking this one, start wrapping, making hitch knots. 1, 2, 1. See how beautifully it is coming along. Okay, so I think I just want this much of length. I'll cut the remaining threads. Okay, so my small cute little keychain is ready, and perfect. So here I use in this I use the more thick thread, so it is looking more dense. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Have fun. Thank you.